Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how to see your watch history on TikTok. If you want to find a video you have watched before, TikTok lets you view your watch history directly from the app. So firstly you need to open your TikTok app on a device, and from here you need to go to your profile icon in the bottom right. And once you get into this profile icon, select this menu in the top right corner, and over here select the settings and privacy. And under the settings and privacy, you need to scroll a bit down until you find this option for this preferences here. And from the preferences, you need to select this activity center. And under this activity center, select watch history. And that is it. You can find all of this watch history on the TikTok. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video was helpful. If you have any queries or confusion, please comment down below and we will reach out to you very soon.